Grayson, you moron!
Grayson, you moron! Kill me! No touching. Take me away, officers. Take me away. Just save me from that.
Percy, King Dimpleweed. You and I are officially through. Hey, Precious, where you going, girl? Precious?
Your Excellencies, may I present Miss Clara Starwell.
Is it true? It is true. I'm Arthur, Regent of the Land of Flowers. At your most humble service.
I am Shiva, Regent of the Land of Snowflakes now. An honor. And the Regent of the Land of Sweets, Sugarplum.
Sugarplum lied to us.
What's happening? Why are we locked up here?
It's all my fault. I've let you all down.
No,
Oh, that's not true. Sugarplum lied to us.
no.
Oh, that's not true. Sugarplum lied to us.
This is more like it. A proper army to create discipline, order, control. Boys in uniform with weapons. I've let you all down.
No.
Oh, that's not true. Sugarplum lied to us.
And you were right, Sugarplum.
Hi, guys. Oh, hi, Keisha. Hi, everybody. Hi, Emily. Did you get wet?
Hi, guys. Oh, hi, Keisha. Hi, everybody. Hi, Emily. Did you get wet?
And I almost forgot. We got ice cream.
Ice cream.
We can beat the heat with a nice cool treat. Line up, everybody. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, that looks so good. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Mr. Boyd. Oh, well.
Thank you, Mr. Boyd. Oh, well. Hey, go away. Go away, Mr. Fly. Shoo!
Thank you, Mr. Boyd. Oh, well. really wanted some ice cream, but now look what happened. Oh man, it's melting all